The FuelCube is a range of compact and economical stationary fuel tanks designed for on-site fuel supply and fleet refueling. The FuelCube can connect to one diesel-powered piece of equipment and dispense fuel by pump at the same time. Keep fuel strategically located on-site to refuel construction machinery without having to wait for fuel deliveries, or use the FuelCube to refuel your fleet and reduce downtime. The FuelCube's features help you eliminate the need for spill pans or basins, deter theft and prevent spills, simplify cleaning, maintenance, and inspection, enable easy maneuvering and mobility, and reduce the footprint of fuel tanks on the job site. The FuelCube is available in capacities from 250 to 1,000 gallons. We understand that every application is unique, which is why we also offer numerous accessories, including pump kits, remote power kits, tank monitoring equipment, fuel management systems, and more. Set yourself apart from the competition by providing the future of fueling now. Contact us today for more information.